A great little cabin that is located within walking distance of the pier without the hefty price tag. Great holiday venue, super clean villa, excellent helpful friendly staff. Very happy with our stay. Exceptional. Spotless and lots of nice touches. A few chocolates, milk and fridge, tea bags, etc. Grounds are well maintained and lots of facilities. Exceeded our expectations. Excellent, great value for family stay. Lovely location. Owners. You must come here. This is a wonderful location for a family/couple holiday. Great facilities, excellent accommodation, wonderful service. 5-star. Nice and quiet place to stay, close to the beach.